Angry Rivian customers are quickly canceling their orders. Can you believe this? Now, despite some production delays beyond Rivian control, the R1T, an all-electric pickup truck, is currently in production. Its SUV counterpart, the R1S, it's going to be coming soon too, folks. Now, this initial batch of R1Ts is going to those who placed their orders very early. Now, everyone else is going to have to wait. Now, the normal Illinois factory can only build so many per week, and the demand is so high. Now, a new factory in Georgia is about to be approved, but it won't go online for more than several years. Can you believe this? But early this week, of course, we know why the several years is because all the different things that they're bumping into, such as being environmental friendly and being advantageous for the city and everything else. Now, Rivian announced a series of price changes too. Now, that's clearly making people angry. Instead of dropping the prices, they're increasing. And they're increasing it substantially. Now, many of these people are fighting back. Now, Rivian also happens to be one of the largest, EV companies out there once they get up to par and things up running. But however, people are fighting back because they don't want these huge substantial price hikes. Now, over 3,500 people from the Rivian community, as subreddit, have responded, and 1,900 votes in favor of canceling their orders. Now, only 350 said that they will continue with the purchase plan, regardless. Now, another 110 said that they want the lower cost option, meaning Rivians without the price, the pricier dual motors, which is becoming standard. Now, a total of around 1,300 remain undecided. Rivian claimed to have over 70,000 reservations for both vehicles at the end of last year. It's still too soon to see what these reservation holders are going to do. Are they really going to cancel? Now, the price increases, despite having the attractive dual motor setup, the standard, amounts to $12,000 increase, depending on all the other options. Now, it can climb as much as up to $20,000, more than people previously budgeted. That's a big difference, folks. A huge difference. Small price changes are expected, but this is something out of the ordinary. Not even Tesla has had such a year-to-year price change. Now, Rivian is blaming an increase in inflation, grow material costs, which may be true, but passing that cost down to consumers might not be a good idea. Rivian should have opted for the more gradual price change approach. Now, some in the Rivian community, on Reddit, believe that the car maker is having difficulties increasing gross margin as it boosts production output, and is passing that cost down to the consumers. Now, everything's in Rivian hands, though, what to do with this. This sort of sucks to have a price increase from $12,000 to $20,000. Man, that makes a heck of a difference. That's a $400 increase in people car notes. If it's up to $20,000, that could be up to $200 to $400. This is insane. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.